Ever since Benjamin and I watched OccuPepper, the 4-day show trial to put the Portland pepper sprayers on trial for pepper spraying ladies down the throat non-consensually, we've been eating kettle chips from Eugene, Oregon to celebrate the many incarnations of pepper.
Celebrating pepper chips because the cops perpetrated
They perpetrated. They're the perpetrators. They're the pepper traders. Because they're against the Constitution, so they pepper spray. They perpetrate their pepper spray. I mean, statistically, do you know if they gender equal their pepper spray? Because they seem to be going really deep throat with Elizabeth.
Oh, they were deep throat.
They were deep throat, non-consensual. It was like a pepper rape, kind of. Like a deep throat pepper rape. I think there was a sexual element to it, which I think that's where people aren't really getting into how violating it was.
Was she a redhead? Like, no, she wasn't. Okay, never mind. I was thinking it was like...
She was a woman. And women only get 70% of what men get in America anyway. So women are like 70% human.
She was a redhead, like, kind of like what the cops did to me, like, what?
Ginger hate. Yeah, she could have been a ginger hate pepper spray. You could have a little ginger with your pepper.
Yeah.
Have some ginger with your pepper hate. Your ginger hate and your pepper hate. Oh, dear heavens.
Well, the poor cops attacked me. It's like, you know.
Drinking a glass of water.